In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the stator of your front load washer. So in order to diagnose our stator, we just need a multimeter, and we need to set it so that we can get a continuity reading, because we're going to be measuring the two different windings that are in your stator. One's for one direction, the other winding is for the other direction. The center connector to the outside gives us one set of coils, and we have a signal and we're reading the continuity. We go from the center to the outside, and again we have continuity. So in doing those continuity tests, if either one of those windings showed no continuity, you would have to replace the entire stator.